Now that the J-36 is entering service, many wonder, can the J-20 finally be exported? In theory, yes. In reality, it's almost absurdly precious. Let's put it this way. Even if China opened the door for export, it's not a matter of who wants to buy, but who can actually afford it. This airborne money-burning machine isn't just a fighter jet. It's a full-scale, cash-eating beast. The unit cost? $110 million. That's just your entry ticket. But the full life-cycle maintenance? It rivals the annual cost of operating a full regiment of DF-21 ballistic missiles. And it's not just about the money. It's about whether you can even operate and maintain it properly. Worse still, the combat threshold is incredibly high. To fully utilize the J-20, a buyer must also procure an entire J-20 ecosystem, KJ-500 AWACS, J-16D electronic warfare aircraft, quantum-encrypted data links, and a fully integrated command and control network. Add all that up, the total package easily reaches $20 billion. At that point, you're not buying a fighter jet. You're buying a flying fortress, a mobile aerial war system. Even Middle Eastern oil-rich nations would pause for 3 seconds looking at that quote. Years ago, Saudi Arabia was impressed by China's CH-series drones and showed interest in the J-20. But once they learned that just replacing a part requires removing 36 rivets in a dust-free, temperature-controlled cleanroom with dedicated personnel and care protocols, they backed out immediately. It's not that the technology isn't good. It's that nobody wants to afford it. That said, the J-20 is worth every penny. It meets 5th-generation standards in every way, capable of tracking up to 60 targets simultaneously. Armed with the PL-15 missile with a range of 200+ kilometers, can lock you before you even know it's there. Its stealth coding and maintenance precision rival surgical operations. Most regular hangars aren't even qualified to house it. Now look at our close partner, Pakistan. Its entire annual defense budget is just $8.3 billion. Buying 4 J-20s would basically bankrupt the military. They'd be picking up missiles off the ground just to stay operational. So instead, Pakistan went with the JF-17 Block 3, far more cost-effective and still capable in real combat. After all, warfare is about fighting efficiently, not showing off luxury. At the end of the day, the J-20 isn't unexportable. It's just that very few nations can handle it. It's not just a fighter jet. It's an air combat ecosystem, a stealth strike platform, and a logistical mega-project all rolled into one. Buying a J-20 is like marrying a royal princess. You might afford the wedding, but can you maintain the lifestyle? If it ever gets exported in the future, the buyer must be a near first-rate military power, fully capable of supporting a modern aerial combat command chain. Otherwise, it's just a high-tech toy gathering dust in a hangar.